dash. And so essentially the idea is
And
that,
then you, after you name the game.
oh,
Say our name.
I'm
Yeah.
sorry, I'm
Hey.
Joe Morse.
Yeah, sure.
I'm David.
I'm Shruti.
Awesome.
All right.
So, essentially, the game is Wall Street Dash, and so essentially the idea is your guy's going to be a new investor on the floor of the New York Stock Exchange, and so you're going to start with a certain amount of in-game currency, and essentially once the bell rings, that's basically going to be the start of one round, which is like 1 day of trading, and you're going to move around and try to invest in stocks, buy low, sell high. That's the idea. And so you're going to go buy little shares of the stock, and it's going to be, going up, and then you're going to try to sell when it's going down. And typically, when we're going to have it in the game, it'll be green when it's going up and red when it's going down. And the thing is, as you increase in your net worth, your player's speed is going to be able to increase, and he's going to be able to move around. Except for the catch with that is, whenever he bumps into other players, there's going to be a bounce off the other players, and as your speed increases, that bounce is going to be greater. So it's like a double-edged sword. So it makes it to where you have to be more careful when you're moving around. And so the objective of this game is to build as many assets, grow your net worth as possible.
All right. What's the stocks numbers are randomly generated?
So essentially, we're going to utilize the concepts of risk and return. So different companies, the rate of change is going to be dependent on the company. And so, say take stock A for example. It's going to be the rate of change when it's going up. It's not going to go up by much. When it's going down, it's not going to go down by much.
But it's going to be
on a spectrum.
But that's still going to be randomly generated.
Right, but you're going to be
some of them will change
there's going to
more.
be
I
a certain
just want to make
range
sure
that you
that's
can
not
call
like
within. Not entirely random. So it's going to be almost yeah.
The stock market's not entirely random either. But
Right.
But it is a random walk. That's what it does. Is anybody here a business person?
I'm taking actually finance with Mr.
Professor.
Professor.
Yeah.
Turpin.
She will need to call me Mr. All right. So it's a random walk when they and it generally goes up, but it is a randomly as it goes up. So
it's
so
not
make sure,
going to
make
be
sure.
exactly like how it would be in the real stock market.
And sometimes they go down.
Right. So it's
So
going to
that's
be more. For the sake of the game, it's going to be more drastic changes. That way, since
That's
it's
okay.
going to be shorter intervals.
Okay.
And,
Cool. All right.
So
Good
when
luck.
okay.
Thank you.